Students, moving on to the next topic of chapter 1, that is electric charges and field. The next topic which we are going to study is frictional electricity. First we will see its definition. The electricity developed on the bodies when they are rubbed with each other is called frictional electricity. The substances which shows this property are called as electrified or electrically charged. तो फ्रिक्शनल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का डेफिनेशन क्या बोलता है कि जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डेवलप होगा बॉडीज़ पर जब उनको एक दूसरे के साथ जो है रगड़ा जाएगा तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रिक्शनल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. जो द सब्सटेंस विच शोज दिस प्रॉपर्टी आर कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रीफाइड और इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज. और ये जो प्रॉपर्टी मतलब चार्जिंग की जो प्रॉपर्टी शो करेगा कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, इलेक्ट्रीफाइड या इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज. तो इसको अब हम लोग जो है थोड़ा डिटेल में समझते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हमारे पास जो है एक इंसुलेटर है और उसको हम दूसरे इंसुलेटर से क्या करते हैं, रब करते हैं. तो क्या होगा, दोनों जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनमें क्या होगा, चार्जेस डेवलप होंगी बिकॉज ऑफ द रबिंग. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रिक्शनल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. फॉर इफ़ यू रिमेंबर दैट इन आवर चाइल्डहुड we used to rub the scale on our hair, dry hair, and the scale gets charged due to the friction between the hair and the scale surface. Then when we put the scale near the small pieces of paper, what happens, the paper get stick to the scale. Why this happens? Because the scale gets charged on rubbing the scale on dry hair. Same thing occurs here also in frictional electricity. What we do, we used to rub two insulators against each other, and a charge developed in both the insulator. The one object which lose the electron will get positively charged, and the another which gain the electrons get negatively charged. So charging of objects depends on the loss or gain of electrons. If the object loses electron, then it will get positively charged, and if the object gains electron, then it will get negatively charged. And the object which loses electron or gains electron will either get positively charged if it loses electron, and the object get negatively charged if it gains electron. So this charging of objects is called electrified or electrically charged object. We can see the observe the frictional electricity phenomena in the examples. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth and brought near an ebonite rod rubbed with cat's fur, both rods get attracted. Why it will get attracted? Because the glass rod gets positively charged on being rubbed with silk cloth. Why the glass rod will get positively charged? Because the electrons in glass rod get transferred to the silk cloth, and due to which the glass rod get positively charged. Means the glass rod will lose electron and the silk cloth will gain electron. But what happens, the glass rod get positively charged. And when the ebonite rod is rubbed with cat's fur, the ebonite rod get negatively charged because the cat's fur will lose electron and the ebonite rod will gain electron and gets negatively charged. So when this positively charged glass rod and negatively charged ebonite rod are brought near each other, they will get attracted because both these objects are having opposite type of charges, and unlike charges attracts each other. In the last topic we have studied in the properties of charges, the last property that unlike charges attract each other. So frictional electricity is what? When we rub two insulators against each other, then the transfer of charges takes place from one object to another and they will get electrified, means they will get charged. This is frictional electricity. Thank you.